Let the people trade. Unless, of course, some rich hedge fund managers are starting to lose money. Oh, Robinhood, where many of us first learned the hard way why you shouldn't day trade. Now, while there are several reasons you'd want to transfer out of Robinhood, I'm sure you're here because of their recent decision to limit the buying of certain stocks like GameStop, AMC, Nokia, and a couple of others. Welcome back if you're not new here, and welcome if you are. So we're going to go over how to transfer out of Robinhood into the brokerage account of your choice. But before I do, I gotta let you know a few things. The first thing you should know is that there are two types of transfers. There's a full transfer and a partial transfer. The second thing to know is that there's a $75 transfer fee, and that is for both kinds of transfers. So whether you're doing a full transfer or a partial transfer, you should expect to pay the $75 either way. And the third thing you should know, and this is a big one possibly for a lot of you, and that is that you cannot transfer cryptocurrency. This is something to keep in mind if you're waiting for Dogecoin to shoot to the moon. A fourth thing you should know is that partial stocks will not be transferred. They will be sold by Robinhood if you don't do them, and that money, along with the other assets, will transfer when the transfer is done. So partial stocks will not be transferred. That money is transferred during what is known as a residual sweep, but we'll talk more about that later in this video. Now, before I get started on how to leave Robinhood, you should know that Robinhood has said that they will allow limited buying for these stocks that they recently put restrictions on. What that means, who knows? The story is still developing, and we'll see what happens with Robinhood. A fifth thing you should know is that there could possibly and probably will be a delay in your transfer if you don't resolve any account restrictions or negative balances. So now let's get started with how to leave Robinhood, how to transfer from Robinhood to a different brokerage of your choice. And step one is, unfortunately, you have to contact the brokerage that you'll be transferring to. And they're the ones that have to initiate the transfer. You can't go to Robinhood and have them start the transfer. It has to be done through the brokerage that you're transferring to. Some ways you can do that is just to go on their website and look for an option that says something like transferring to and then your brokerage account. Or you could also give them a call. Do it the old-fashioned way. If you're one of those people that isn't afraid of ordering pizza, then you just give them a call, and I'm sure they'll walk you step by step through it because they'll be happy to have you as a customer. So you will have to have an account with the brokerage you are planning to transfer to, and when you do finally go make that transfer, you need to make sure it is an ACATS transfer. ACATS stands for Automated Customer Account Transfer Service, and Robinhood does not want you to use any other type of transfer. You have to do this one. You have to specify this one with the brokerage when you go make that transfer. You will probably need your RHS account number from Robinhood, and you can find that on the app by clicking the little person on the bottom right hand corner and then clicking investing, and then your account number will be at the top. If you are asked for a DTC number, that is 6769 for Robinhood. Make sure you read everything carefully while you're initiating this transfer. It is really important that you read everything. Some brokerages won't let you transfer if you're not transferring a certain amount of money, so look out for that. And overall, just read everything, be careful. So after you make that initial transfer out of Robinhood, your account will be restricted. And the restriction depends on if you've got a full transfer or a partial transfer. So if you got a full transfer, you'll still be able to see like what your stocks are worth, things like that, but obviously you won't be able to trade. If you're doing a partial transfer, the same thing applies, but just for those assets that you are transferring. When you leave Robinhood, it is possible that all of your assets will not transfer during the first initial transfer, and that is where this residual sweep comes in. So this residual sweep will occur after the initial sweep, of course, when you have unsettled trades or if you have dividend payments that happen during the initial transfer. So the residual sweep is just that process of transferring any leftover assets that didn't transfer during the initial transfer process. So I looked and could not find an estimated time that it will take for the transfer from start to finish. It probably depends on your account and who you're transferring to. And so I really can't give you an estimate on that. I wish I could, but I'm sorry, I cannot. Thank you for watching. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you share this with anyone that's thinking of leaving Robinhood, or anyone that you think should leave Robinhood. Make sure you share this with them. Make sure you comment down below on why you're transferring and really what you think of this whole situation that we're in. I'm curious to know what you think. Also, I want to mention that everything I went over I got from the Robinhood website, and I encourage you to look through it as you do this transfer in case I missed anything. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next time.